Good evening, folks. 1973 Caboose here with an update. We've done a total of, thinking about 3 or 4 Athearn blue box locomotives with this Marvel air tool oil on the gearboxes. Actually, we did a couple Athearns and the German hydraulics. That's the stupid flywheel rubbing against the shell. Watch this. This is an Athearn Blue Box SD45, which I just did with that air tool oil in the gearboxes. That's not the gearboxes making the noise. The other engine which we did was that former Tyco, now Athearn Athearn powered drive shark nose. So that's the update. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, notification button, do comment, and please keep your comments clean and decent. I will not tolerate obscene language used on my YouTube channel in the comment section. Somebody has already tried me and got blocked and banned. So, to that, please stay safe, peace out, and don't forget to hit the subscribe, notification, like button. Please comment. Have a good night.